kitchen. Today is Valentine's Day, so we're gonna make a very sweet treat. It's going to be cream cheese stuffed strawberries. First and foremost, you want to start off washing your strawberries. Then you're going to need powdered sugar, 1 box of cream cheese, graham cracker crumbs, and pure vanilla. And for your utensils, you want to get a mixing bowl, a 1/4 cup, and a 1 teaspoon. And then your electric mixer, any kind of mixer is fine. And you need a knife and a small spoon. Okay, I already washed the strawberries, so we're going to move all of this. And we're going to cut the tops off of each strawberry. Now that they are all cut, we're going to take our knife and we're going to cut this, wherever this white part is of your strawberry, we're going to cut kind of deep and we're going to make like a circle. We're going to do these for all of them. And then once you cut it, you want to take your spoon, kind of just open it up just a little bit so we can get that middle part out. And it'll look like this. So there's a hollow inside. You can do this for all of them. Now that I'm done cutting all of these, the middle of the strawberries out, we're going to mix our cream cheese and our vanilla. And our powdered sugar. The vanilla is 1 teaspoon. And then you're going to put the whole thing of cream cheese. The recipe only calls for half, but you can do a full one if you prefer. And our powdered sugar, which is 1/4. What your filling should look like. It's creamy. All right, and here's your breadcrumbs. We're going to sprinkle it on the top. And then this is for all you whipped cream lovers. Ready Whip, Cool Whip, anything you prefer. You can design it at the end, or you can mix it in with your cream cheese. Whatever you prefer. Now we're going to put our cream cheese in our strawberries. You can use a spoon just to do it. Just want to fill them. Push it down just a little bit. If you want a lot of cream cheese in there, always add your Ready Whip. Now that we filled all of our strawberries with the cream cheese filling, we're going to put our graham cracker crumbs into a small little bowl. There we go. You don't need that much. Now we're going to take our strawberry, we're going to go just dip the top of them. It's going to look just like that. We're going to do this to all of them. Alright guys, I am done with my strawberries. Now I put it in the shape of a heart for Valentine's Day. Now I'm going to add my whipped cream. Actually going to do it in the middle. I'm going to fill the middle. Alright guys, that is the end of the video. Don't forget to comment down below. Tell me how yours came out. And hit that like button. Alright, the ingredients will be down below. Thank you guys.